Hi everyone, Cinco de Mayo is coming up and I've got a fun project to make that's very colorful. It's a piñata. So stick with me and I will show you how you can make your very own. For this project, you will need the piñata template. This is free to print off, and I will put a link in the description for you to print one off for yourselves. And so I'm taking the piñata template, and I've also got some tissue paper of different colors that I've cut into pieces. So I've got them cut into pieces that are about 2 inches by 2 inches or so, just big enough for me to pick up and roll around in my hand. As you can see on the template, there are lines that go across the piñata that will end up making the piñata look striped. So I'm just working my way from the top down to the bottom, and I'm choosing one color for each of those stripes and taking the tissue paper one piece at a time. I am rolling it in my hand and then gluing it down onto the piñata. I've got this awesome liquid Elmer's glue that's purple, and it disappears, like the purple disappears as it dries. So if you're interested in this product, this is not sponsored by any means, but I happen to really like this glue. It's new to me and I've just been trying it out and I really like it. This is a good tactile project that you can do with your loved one. If they're not capable of rolling the paper for themselves, you can always put the paper into the palm of their hand and then roll it for them. It provides a unique sensory experience for them. And also the different colors of the tissue paper engage the visual neurons of the eyes as well. And of course, while you're making this project, you can always chat with your loved one about piñatas. Perhaps they had one at a birthday party when they were a child, or maybe they experienced being the bringer of a piñata and having all these happy kids around them. You never know. And also, if any of you have Latino heritage or know anyone of Latino heritage, you may have some memories about that as well. So once it's done, just let it dry, and then you can hang it up somewhere to display it. It's a nice, bright, colorful piece of artwork, and it should bring cheer to any room that you hang it in. I hope you enjoyed that and that you get a chance to make your very own colorful piñata. And until next time, take care and happy Cinco de Mayo.